Hello, beautiful GlinaArtistic family. It is Glina, your paint manufacturer mentor, and in today's powerful video, I'm going to break down something that many paint manufacturers still get wrong. Yes, you understand. It is called satin paint, also known as satin gloss paint, and no, it is not just a fancy version of emulsion paint. This is satin paint, not oil paint. The paint is a game changer in the industry, and today you will learn: one, what is satin paint truly means; two, where to apply it; three, why it is used in special environments like kids room and hospital, and why is it getting it wrong and can destroy your reputation as a paint producer. Also, it is important to know all this type of paint because it can lead to using the wrong paint in the wrong places. For example, applying interior emulsion on an exterior wall. You understand? It causes poor performances, dissatisfaction, and it ruins your brand reputation. So stick with me till the very end, and I will also show you how to get access to our new advanced satin paint formulation ebook called Satinology. You understand? So you don't want to miss it. You understand? Hello guys, welcome back to GlinaArtistic Paint Education, the #1 YouTube channel for mastering paint production, branding, sales, and chemical formulation. You understand? Whether you are producing emulsion paint, gloss paint, satin paint, sleek paint, waterproof paint, even top bond, or you are starting a paint business from scratch, we'll teach you everything you need to know on how to start your paint manufacturing business the right way. High quality formula, powerful branding, sales psychology, packaging, and sales strategy trusted by professionals worldwide. So subscribe now and turn on your notification bell if you're just watching this channel for the first time so you don't miss any tutorial. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you once more. I appreciate. Also, comment below what city or country are you watching from. I read and reply to all your comments because you are my motivation. Yes, and that is why you see me coming out here every day to lecture you. All right, so let's start the deal of the day. What is satin paint? You understand? A lot of us don't even know what satin paint is. Satin paint is not just a shining paint. It is a semi-gloss luxury washable paint that combines both beauty and functionality. Please listen well so you can learn how to produce a good satin paint. It is often confused with gloss paint, but satin paint has a soft glow, a velvet texture, and it is more suitable than high glossy paint. Now, where is satin paint used? 1, living rooms; 2, bedrooms; 3, offices, bathrooms, yeah, kid rooms, and hospitals. You understand? Anywhere that needs a clean look, easy maintenance, and resistance to dirt, that is where you need to apply satin paint because it's a washable paint. So now let's look at the functions and importance of satin paint. A lot of people don't know the function. That is why they keep producing satin paint the wrong way. So now, what makes satin paint different? #1 is washability. You can wipe it clean with water or mild detergent. 2, stain resistant, perfect for high traffic areas that are prone to easy cleaning. 3, soft finishes. It adds elegance to walls. 4, durability. It resists cracking, peeling, and dirt adhesion. And then we have the moisture protection. You understand? It creates for tropical and humid environment. So that is why it is not just for home. Also, hospital, clinics, daycare centers, and schools love satin paint for its hygiene factor. So those of you that are not aware, satin is an hygiene factor paint. You understand? So why you must produce satin paint the right way? You understand? Let me be honest with you. You need to know how to produce satin paint the right way. If your satin paint is not formulated properly, you will face one, chalking finishes. Does satin paint chalk? No, but that is what you're going to face. Two, paint that stains instead of resistant to stains. Clients who won't come back, and a damaged brand reputation. You understand? So that is why satin paint production is not just addition of Texanol and glycerin. It is science. Yes, you need one, the right binder to filler ratio. Two, proper use of your shine agent. Three, crystal clear emulsification and the right drying time. If you're ready to learn how to produce premium satin paint like an expert, then grab our new ebook on Satinology. You understand? Which is the science and business of satin paint production. Inside this ebook, I break down one, the advanced chemical formulation. Two, how to create super shine. And three, the exact chemical and mixing order, the science of achieving a proper satin glossy paint that lasts, and how to position it as a prime brand product. Also, you're going to be getting a bonus. You understand? You will also get our advanced primer ebook for free. Yes, once you get the Satinology ebook today. The link to get this ebook is going to be in the description below. So now let's quickly recap all what you just learned. One, satin paint is equals to easy to clean plus premium feel. Secondly, used in homes, hospital, kids' rooms, schools, and luxury offices. It is washable, smooth, elegant, and durability. It helps you stand out as a professional paint manufacturer. So master your satin paint and you will gain client trust, more referral, and long-term profit. You understand? So tell me in the comments below, where would you like to apply satin paint in your next project? Is it the living room, hospital, daycare center? Just let me know in the comment section. You understand? And if this video added value to your paint journey, then smash the like button, give this video a like, and share it with someone who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification, because I notice most of you just come to watch, you're not yet subscribed to our channel. You understand? So make sure to subscribe as you watch. This is Glina, your paint manufacturer's mentor from GlinaArtistic Paint Education. Remember, you don't just paint. You understand? You need to build a brand. You're not just a paint manufacturer, but you need to build a brand. Make sure to get the Satinology ebook today and take your satin paint game to the next level. So bye for now and see you on our next video.